It's just one gentleman sitting beside me who's going to catch up now. Welcome to Club 30. Sachin Tendulkar, well batted. This is a terrific innings.
In this video, we are going to discuss investment lessons from Test cricket. There is a famous quote from Bill Gates: "If you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake." Every one of us want to become rich. We may, at times, buy a lottery ticket to test our luck. People also go to casinos for gambling to change their fortune. I know many people who take high risk in stock markets to become wealthy quickly. Without doing a proper research, they invest in stocks based on someone else's tip, or invest in penny stock, or take high risk by investing in derivatives. We often hear stories of people losing their entire life savings by making wrong investment decisions. Investing in stock markets is not a 2020 cricket where you can hit the ball out of the park in the very first ball. It is like a test match. One has to play a long innings to become wealthy. I find a lot of similarity between value investing and test cricket. A test captain understands the strengths and weaknesses of his players before selecting the playing 11. Similarly, a good investor does a proper due diligence before deciding whether or not to invest in a company. Let us discuss these similarities one by one. In test match, the captain looks at the historical track record of his players. Similarly, the first thing a successful investor looks at is understanding the business and historical financial performance of the target company. Analyzing historical financial performance helps him understand the business of the company and how it has performed on growth, margins, and return on invested capital. A test captain assesses the risk of how a player would perform under pressure, whether a bowler should be given long or short spells, how a batsman would bat with the middle and lower order, whether to send a night watchman or main batsman towards the close of day's play. Similarly, the investor analyzes the riskiness of balance sheet by looking at cash flows, liquidity, leverage of the target company. This helps him understand if the company would default when put in an unfavorable environment under liquidity pressure. This is what we are seeing with Future Enterprises or Future Group today. When put under liquidity pressure, the company was not able to repay its loan and hence has gone to NCLT. A good test captain tries to understand the strategy of the other competing team, their performance in a given condition, and their hunger for victory. This helps him strategize his game better. Similarly, an investor looks at the company's management and strategy. He looks at the management history and their performance track record. This would help him determine their hunger for growth. Great management can take a company's performance to greater heights. An example is Mr. Mukesh Ambani of Reliance Industries and Jeff Bezos of Amazon. A test captain tries to understand the pitch, ground, and weather conditions before making the final 11 selection just before the match. Similarly, in investing, the industry is the pitch. Economic scenario and government regulations are the ground and weather conditions. These factors help determine the market momentum behind the stock price performance. An example is the airline, tourism, and travel industry, which suffered the most during the COVID-19 crisis, while the pharma and high-tech industry gained the most. A good test captain invests in players where he sees good potential and can help him win matches in the future. For example, Saurav Ganguly backing Yuvraj and Harbhajan Singh, MS Dhoni backing Ashwin and Jasprit Bumrah. Similarly, an investor has to understand the future performance potential of a company which can create wealth for him over long term. Like Warren Buffett invested in Coke in 1980s and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala in Titan in early 2000s. Like Yuvraj Singh and Harbhajan Singh winning lot of matches in Test cricket and one-day cricket, Coke and Titan helped create enormous amount of wealth for Warren Buffett and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. These are a few mantras to become a great captain of a great test team and to become a great investor. As said by Warren Buffett, it's not easy to get rich quick. But if you take a disciplined investment approach, be assured you will not die poor. If you find this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.